friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very spicy and delicious meatballs in mango habanero sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing and spicy and delicious habanero meatballs, these are my ingredients. I have garlic powder, black pepper, brown sugar, 1 room temperature egg, half a cup of Italian bread seasoning, of course, the mango habanero sauce, and I have 1 pound of turkey ground beef. So let's get started. Let me show you step by step how to make these amazing and delicious turkey ground beef meatballs. Look at this. I have 1 pound of the ground turkey. I have half a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, and 1 room temperature egg. We're going to incorporate it very good. You want to make sure that everything is well incorporated. And once you see it nice and incorporated, we're going to start making our small little meatballs. You decide how large, you decide how big, but let me tell you, this mango habanero sauce is so delicious. It is really going to coat them. You could enjoy it in steamed rice, enjoy it in pasta. You decide. Or even you could enjoy it as a finger food. Let me tell you, very easy to prepare with very few ingredients that I know you guys are going to love. And if you love spicy food like I do, let me tell you, these meatballs are going to be delicious and you're going to love them. But once you have all your meatballs just like this, put them aside and take them to the stove. Look how amazing they look. They stick really good. Nothing's going to fall off. In the saucepan, I have, it's nice and hot. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to coat the bottom and then I'm ready to just lay on top. Cooking them in medium heat. Do not overcook them and do not cook them in high heat. You really want them to be moist, tender, and delicious. So you always want to cook them in medium heat. Once you're cooking them, flip them over. You want them golden brown. You decide how golden brown you want them. Here, I'm going to prepare the sauce. I have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm going to add half a cup of the mango habanero sauce, half a cup of water, and I'm just going to mix away. It's nice and thick, and this is going to coat the meatballs perfectly. Look how this smells amazing. Once you start seeing your meatballs getting nice and golden brown, flip them 1 more time and then cover them. Remember that we are cooking them in medium heat. So leave them covered for about 3 minutes and then come back and flip them 1 more time. While they're still cooking, cover them with the amazing mango habanero sauce. Cover them completely. When I was doing this part, I started coughing. Of course, I took that off, but I was coughing, and let me tell you, the aroma of the mango habanero, just amazing. Cover them, let them cook for another 2 minutes, and then while that's cooking, I am going to get some scallions and I am going to chop away. I'm only using the green part. I want this for the decoration right on the top of the meatballs. So once this is done, look how thick the mixture looks from the bottom. They're nice and cooked, nice and spicy. And now I am ready for the presentation plate. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Remember, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And here, I am going to put all my meatballs. I am going to, of course, add all that amazing sauce that is still on the pan. Drip it right on the top. Look how thick this is. My mouth is watering because I can't wait to enjoy. So here I'm just going to add all that amazing sauce. And then I'm going to add the scallions for the decoration. I can't wait to show you how the inside of the meatball looks. How moist it is. How tender it is. And of course, when you love and you cook what you love, everything comes out perfect, my friends. Well, here, this is ready, and let me show you the inside. You could, like I said, you could add some steamed rice. Enjoy your meatballs with the amazing steamed rice. They're really juicy, nice and soft from the inside. And the flavor of the mango habanero, my gosh, just amazing. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Completely done with these amazing mango habanero meatballs. Look at this. Juicy, delicious, spicy. You could add them right on top of steamed rice. Just amazing. Excuse me. So delicious. They're spicy. And they're moist. And the flavor just amazing. So delicious. I hope, my friends, you make them and you enjoy them with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing mango habanero meatballs. See you soon. Bye-bye.